What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, I don't want anybody to come after me and just automatically go, hey, you know what, this is clickbait or whatever, right? What we're talking about in this video is some interesting information that we went over in the live stream. And it wasn't even like where it was like an article that was saying that Shibarium's not coming or anything like that. It was just speculation, right? We can do nothing but speculate because technically the release of Shibarium at today's time, or technically on the 16th, is still speculation, right? It's not 100% confirmed that we're going to see it on that date, because apparently there's no official release date. There has been conversations, a ton of huge content creators and cryptocurrency specialists, experts that are saying, hey, this is going to release on the 16th or during this conference, right? Um, but there's definitely speculation behind it because it's not 100% that that is coming. Now, I may be wrong. I may not see a source, somewhere, somehow. But when we have, information from yesterday that's really saying, hey, just to let you know, there's not really a confirmed like release date. It makes you think, like, does that mean that it's not coming? Does that mean that just because we're not seeing the hype that they're not going to release it? Because honestly, that would suck for the Shiba Inu community, for Shibarium, for the ecosystem dev team, and how much we rely on, or I guess how much we believe them in what they are saying. So before everyone hates me, I'm going to get into the detail of this video. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me there. Don't forget about my link to my Patreon. That link is also in the description. If you guys want to join the Patreon, feel free. You can message me. I answer my comments that are over there, or I answer my messages. You can private message me, and we can chat back and forth if you have a anything you really want to chat about, especially if we're in the financially free level. You can have a audio chat with me, and we can talk about your overall positions, as well as my strategies and stuff like that, and also discuss your strategies, whatever you really want to talk about. But anyways, let's talk about Shibarium a little bit, because this weekend we've made a ton of videos on Shibarium, on Shiba Inu, on Bone, and the hype that we should see during the weekend. But we did not see that hype. It kind of played catch up to the market, and I said that if we see the market that doesn't really look as positive, it starts to look negative, then Shiba Inu will play catch up to the market and won't really have the massive impact that we expected it to have. And that really happened, right? We saw it get to a level where it dropped to zero, but really hasn't moved from that spot. And seeing today where we are technically like one day away from this conference actually taking place, right? Wasn't it supposed to be the 15th or the 16th, or is it the 14th through the August? Yeah, so Monday, August 14th, 6 p.m. to the 16th. So we're literally hours away from this happening, or minutes away from this happening. I guess hours, 7 hours, right? Something like that. So I don't know, but we're some time away from this happening, and we should be seeing some green. We should be seeing some things that are moving quite a bit, and we're not really seeing that, right? And the markets don't really look as positive. So in the live stream, people were mentioning to me, they were like, "Hey, why are they even choosing to release Shibarium right now with the markets being down?" Well, I don't think they thought the markets would be down. They thought that Shibarium would have a larger impact to Shiba Inu, to Bone, to Leash, to the overall market, and seeing that another layer two system is being brought to the table, but something that has more popularity than all the rest that have been out there, right? With Shiba Inu, right? So honestly, we had that conversation, and we've seen this time and time again, to where the Blockchain Futurist conference says right here, summer of Shibarium, August 16th, and you're seeing it at 6:30 p.m. Now people are like, yeah, things are going to be released then. That's when we're going to see it, August 16th. But what if this is just more news that we can get for Shibarium? Now, I'm not trying to sit here and spread any type of FUD. I'm just trying to give you guys the what could be the worst case scenario and the best case scenario here. Best case scenario is that we get Shibarium as scheduled. Worst case scenario is that we don't, and it's just more news, and they kind of have like a fake out for us, and we aren't really happy about that. So um, Shibarium is supposed to be coming, and that just leaves a lot of speculation because it doesn't say the release of Shibarium; it just says summer of Shibarium. So maybe it's just more news that we have for Shibarium. But anyways, as we were talking about Shib in the live stream, Bone in the live stream, we went through one of Lucy's. Hopefully, I'm saying your name right. Lucy's, tweets saying like, what is it? Introducing Shibarium Layer 2, a game changer. The key ingredient, you'll need Bone to access its potential. Why? Enjoy ultra low transaction fees, freedom from centralized authority, which I thought was not something that should be added in there because they are more of a central group, but it doesn't really matter. And warp speed transactions. Shib burn, absolutely. Each transaction fuels Shib bonfire. Security first. Shibarium prioritizes security. And privacy a priority. Future plans involved integrating SSI to guarantee airtight asset security. And you're probably like, okay, well, what are you really taking from this that's making you think, well, Shibarium's not coming? Right here, we have on August 13th is where this is created. This is tweeted out. Reminder: there is no official release date. As we get very, very close to the dates that we think are going to be the official release date, putting something out there like that there's no official release date means that we shouldn't set us up for failure. We shouldn't set us up for being disappointed. And it seems like we may be setting ourselves up for this not being released because they don't feel like it's the right time, which honestly would suck because there is a ton of speculation that this is going to release. So not releasing it would be horrible for Bone and Shiba Inu. And, I don't want to put that news out there or put that speculation out there, but I think we have to understand what the worst case scenario could be and what the best case scenario could be. Because I don't want you guys to get disappointed. Either way, I think if we knew that it wasn't coming or we set ourselves up for the worst case scenario and it still didn't come, we still would be upset because we want to see Shibarium, we want to see the impact that it's going to have, but it's not having an impact to the market right now. It could be a situation where we see buy the rumor, sell the news, but we're not seeing that buy the rumor. So what are we going to see? Just buy the news? That could be a possibility as well. But then it could also be a possibility where we see a buy the rumor and then, sell the lack of news. Because if we don't have Shibarium's release, then maybe you see a lot of people that are like, well, I shouldn't be a part of this right now. I should wait until they actually are going to release Shibarium. So I shouldn't be a part of Shib. I shouldn't be a part of Bone. I shouldn't be a part of all of that. So anyways, I just wanted to prepare you guys for what the worst could be. Even though it may not be the case, and this may be just like something where people are saying, hey, it's going to come out on the 14th, 15th, 16th, or whatever. And they're saying there's no official release date because we don't want people to say that it's coming out the 14th and it doesn't come. It's coming out the 15th and it doesn't come. The 16th, and, then it finally comes there. I don't know. But we will see. And the market is not reacting the way I think that, Shibarium actually should be released. If you had an official release, wouldn't you think that they would hype it up a lot more? I mean, they haven't really done that before. They kind of release things out, just sporadically and just like without any type of warning at all. And that's why you haven't really seen things that took off, because the only thing they did have a huge announcement for, two announcements, was Welly's and John Richmond. And both of those didn't really do too well, especially during the launch. They weren't received well. I think the metaverse, or launching of the metaverse and available, not really launching of the metaverse, but launching of the available lands, plots of lands, was something that was marketed a little bit and had a little bit of success, but not as much as they wanted. But anyways, let me know what you think about this. Am I thinking too much into this, or are we still going to see this on the 16th, or am I thinking logically here? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.